Hey guys, welcome home to the channel. Magical greetings from
Yacht Club.
Disney's Yacht Club Hotel at Walt Disney World. I gotta do this again.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, welcome home to the channel. Magical greetings from
The Yacht Club.
Disney's Yacht Club Hotel at Walt Disney World Resort. So, our last time here at the Yacht Club, that was when?
Birthday.
My birthday this year.
No, last year.
Oh, last year we stayed here. So, and actually this is your first time here looking at the Christmas stuff. So, and we just checked it out, so we are going to go show you around right now. And we have the same thing as what Beach has on their light poles at the entrances. So the garland lights with
The front could be a little more decorated.
with the multicolor lights. Oh, this is a good color for me. Yeah. So, alright, I'm gonna go show you the entrance of the hotel, which is right over there. Whoops. So right here is the entrance before you enter the building with the garland right there. You have the poinsettias right in front. And in the foyer we have two trees with a poinsettia. Yeah, it looks very nice. Right here is the tree for this year. This is the nautical themed because it had, oh look at that, it has a compass in the middle of the helm of the wheel. We have a globe, we have a boat. Well, we got multiple boats, but here's one of them. We got another compass right there. We got a sailboat up there, but there might be another one here. Oh, all right, so this is a better close look of the sailboat, one of the sailboats. And right here is another nice boat right there. Oh, we have a, what do you call those things? It's not a, what do you call it? Spyglass? There, wait a minute. There is a spyglass place here. I forgot where it is. But, it's what you use. Oh, so this one has a clock on it. It's what you, it's like what Captain Hook has and stuff. You can go see far away from it. Okay, right here is binoculars right there. We got another boat, J5. I don't know what that means. Got another boat. Oh, look at this. We have an egg timer. Got another globe right there. I got another boat. Another sailboat. And the lights look nice and stuff. It's a nice big sized tree. Way up to the top of the ceiling. I like it. And then around the lobby, we have the garland lights all around the top with the wreaths at the check-in area. Yeah, they look nice. I'm gonna go show you the train sets now and stuff. This lobby isn't as bright as beach, so this tree really helps. I'm gonna go show you the train set now. Oh, just in time. That's their train. So this is their train village right here. And they have a lot of stuff, a lot of houses. Yeah, got a lot of stuff here. I'm gonna go try to get everything, but there's like shadows and stuff, so. Beaches and cream up there. Yeah, I got some people right there, as well as someone. I guess he is snow blowing. Yeah, it's kind of dark in here though. A gingerbread man on a lounge chair right there. That's cool. Oh, we got the Skyliner right there. Some more houses. Okay, let me go see if I could get the light up a little bit here. Yeah, there we go. Mickey's Gumball Emporium. Got snowman right there. Oh, look at this. This looks like a Coca-Cola house. That's nice. And on this side, I'm gonna go see if I could get the lights up all the way. So that's.
Do you love it?
Yeah, it looks nice. The lighting is pretty bad here, so I'm gonna go. Okay, so I got it locked in with the light now. So, and in there, now I gotta go. Okay, right there is a Santa. Yeah, there we are. With another Skyliner lift. That kind of looks like a lighthouse right there. And then on this side we have some more stuff. And that's the train set, guys. Looks nice. Yeah, I want to go show you some of the wreaths with the boats and the nautical theming. Looks nice. So on the right of Ale and Compass Restaurant, we have some more wreaths. Right here's the garland with, looks like an anchor right there. Very nice theming. So all around the restaurant, outside of it, it has all of these garland like this. I don't even know what this is, but it looks very nice. So right here is where they put the globe for now. So we have another garland right there with another boat. This is going up the stairs up to the second floor. We have another different boat on this one, sailboat. Got another boat right there. And this is the yacht's steering wheel, the helm. So right here is from upstairs. There's the tree, and right there is the train set. So the lobby here at the yacht is darker, and the lighting is dimmer than the beach, but still looks very nice with all this Christmas decor in here, because it does brighten this lobby up. So the main back walkway behind the yacht, we have the light poles with the garland and the Christmas lights, the C7s, multicolor. Over there is Boardwalk. We will be over there soon and go check what they have for Christmas stuff. So, no, there's no lights on here. Well guys, that concludes our Christmas tour at Disney's Yacht Club. And I think my favorite part is probably the tree. Because it is so nice, it is so bright and stuff. This lighting is bad here, and the Christmas train set village.
I like the train. The tree is fun. All the different boats on it. The different kind of boats. That was fun. Look around. But I really enjoyed the train set.
Yeah.
And did you notice they have like signs for the different restaurants?
Yeah, I saw Beaches in Cream.
Yeah, they had Beaches of Green, they had Yachtsman, they had Ale and Compass, all the different restaurants that are around this hotel.
Yeah.
So that was fun.
Yeah, so. And, wow. Well, this is our second stop hotel. And the next one will be over at Boardwalk. We'll do that right now. And then that might be it. So, yeah, so we might squeeze in Dolphin, Swan, and Swan Reserve. That will be in a separate video. So, guys, as Mickey Mouse will say, do we have Mickey here? Somewhere. Yeah. Alright, so that's Mickey right there. Just for today. As Mickey Mouse will say, Merry Christmas to you, and thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and have a magical and a very Christmas season.